So we're in Vanuatu, staying at the Warwick, and this is our little front entryway. We've got to come in through the door. There's a little table, which should be pretty handy. Air conditioning, which was quite cold when we came in. The wardrobe and minibar area, which I've already moved into. So there's pretty good hanging space. They've got lots of hangers, which is a really nice change. Lots of places don't have enough hangers, so this is really cool. And a safe and some drawers. And then they've also got this dresser area over here, which would be great for the kids. We've just got a double bed, which will be interesting. We've got a queen at home and I normally get squashed, but we'll see how we go. And then the kids have got a single bed each. So there's the kids' beds. There's a bedside table. There's only room for one bedside table, so I've claimed it. Here's the bathroom. The shower is a big enough room. It's got one of those shower drying racks, which is really handy, but I'm not sure if anything's going to dry because there's not great airflow, so we'll be relying on the air conditioning. We will have to be careful that we don't lose anything down the drain. I might have to let room service know about that. And I've just noticed there's a handrail, so it's pretty accessible just with that little step there. There's twin basins, so we can get ready for brekkie and dinner and swimming nice and quickly and easily, and the loo's in there. The room itself is quite dark. We've got all the lights on, the curtains open, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like when it's dark. But let's have a look at what the room service menu is. So it's available from 11 AM to 9 PM. Crunchy calamari, French fries. I can't even say French fries today. Chicken Caesar salad, Greek salad. I haven't worked out what the exchange rate is yet to tell you what that is in Australian dollars at the moment, but I'll figure it out and let you know. There's some burgers, some sandwiches, stir-fried chicken with veggie, penne, spaghetti, prawn curry, fish of the day, standard pizza, desserts, and drinks. So there's not a specific kids section. We're staying in a Lagoon View room, so it is quite a walk from buffet breakfast and dinner, but the view is pretty sweet. So hopefully we'll be able to get some surf skis and just keep them there and go for quite a few paddles. Also got a really nice sized balcony, so probably be doing our washing over there. I'm not sure why there's only 2 chairs. We're supposed to have just adults only time out here and leave the kids away at kids club. I'm not sure, but it's kind of, it feels like a bit of a waste here. Like there's all this room for a hammock or an outdoor couch or something, and it's not here. The kids have gone off to check out the pool, so I've finished unpacking my bag now, so I'll probably go up and see what it's like there too. All right, let's go exploring. It's a starfish nursery. Hey guys, how you doing? Your song's beautiful. You hear a lot of chatter and giggles from across the bay. You happy? Yeah. What's the temperature like, Liz? What's the temperature like?
Enough for you to go swimming.
It's warm enough for Mum?
Huh?
Is it a Mum warm or just a Livy warm?
Mum warm.
Yes.
Have swim. What's this, ready?
The resort was overbooked, and because of that, my in-laws got to stay in Overwater Villa for a night, so we get to check it out. Oh my gosh! A bath with a starfish. I love that hanging ladder tower.
It's
gorgeous.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like it.
The showers are oversized, aren't they?
Yeah.
Ours is massive, and then there's a clothesline in it,
Okay.
which is quite nice.
There's a clothesline just above the bath area there.
Yeah.
Which is
Well,
pretty
this
good.
works because you've got windows.
Yeah.
So it would vent really well. Hey, Island Girl, have you put any sun cream on? Might be a good idea.
So I guess the point of being able to snorkel tomorrow is
No, it's cold. Can you get a shot with my phone?
So the grandparents are staying in the Fete room for the rest of the holiday, which has got the benefit of the kids being really happy in the pool just here. And the adults can hang out in the cabana. Got a nice private entryway. You can shut those gates there if you want to. Come into the bedroom. This has got the benefit of having some nice indoor seating, which our family rooms don't have the space for. There's a his and hers wardrobe, which is lovely. A work desk, which we could really benefit from in our room. I have been trying to type on my lap, which has been a bit tricky. Come into the bathroom, and this is the big game changer. So double basin, standard loo. Then we walk through here, and we'll get to the flashy part in a second. Come around the corner, not just a shower, but double-headed shower. And this one actually has a hose, which I'm missing in our bathroom. The open air bathtub, which looks stunning. So you can have a bath with the greenery and watch the birds flying around. Open air shower with a nice little timber and stones for your feet, and then we come around to the pool. It's a really fun, well thought out room, so you can have a good swim and shower before coming back into the room. This is the way to do it. So this room would be really, really lovely for a family of 4 on a special occasion if there was a bit more bedding, but I don't think that's an option. I'm going to ask some questions at reception about a slightly bigger room for family of 4.